I am here at the Music City Walk of Fame in Nashville doing the Gauge on the Street. It's where we bring our Hankook Gauge Index to life, right here in Nashville. When you're shopping for a new car, what most influences your decision?
Right now, gas mileage.
Absolutely quality.
I'm going to say safety.
I think with kids, safety is always important.
How it drives, how it looks, and the price.
Price.
Color.
I have to go with the tires.
Brand.
I'd say price.
Price.
I fully believe in you get what you pay for, so if a tire is more expensive because it's safer, I'll pay for it.
I would say performance.
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 Both, right?
I'm going to go with both, and I'm going to tell you why. Because the performance is amazing, but you get the reputation based off the brand.
When you guys are purchasing tires, what do you look for most?
I'm going to look for performance and quality.
I would say price.
The tread.
The tread is one of the most important things.
Do you know if your car was made in America?
Yes.
Yes, it was made in America.
No, it was not.
No, it was not.
Probably not all of it.
But it has American tires.
Hankook tires, right?
Hankook tires.
Do you prefer buying products that are made in the U.S.?
Yes, I do.
Yes.
Yes.
Absolutely. American made is the way to go.
True?
True.
True. Absolutely true.
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 Yes, actually only 40 minutes away in Clarksville.
Oh, no kidding.